Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is biochemist Himmat Ali Maimun and you are watching ASISH Biochemist Coaching Center. In this class, we will discuss about the classification of amino acids on the basis of chemical structure. Amino acids are classified into 7 groups on the basis of chemical structure. First one is amino acids with aliphatic side chain, amino acids with hydroxyl group, amino acids which contain sulfur. Third one is sulfur containing amino acids. Fourth one, acidic amino acids and their amides, basic amino acids, aromatic amino acids and amino acid. Amino acid with aliphatic side chain. In this category, amino acids contain monoamino and monocarboxylic acid group. So they are called simple amino acids. These amino acids further classified into two groups. First one is simple amino acids. Second one is branched amino acid. And simple amino acid, glycine and alanine. These both amino acids are simple amino acids because they have no any branch or side chain. Branched amino acids, valine, leucine, isoleucine. These three amino acids are those amino acids which possess a branched chain in the radical group. This is a structure of simple amino acids, glycine and alanine. Here no any further side chain or branch chain, but it simply contain a hydrogen and here it contain methyl group. Here is no any branch chain. But in branched chain amino acids like valine, leucine and isoleucine, there is some branches like this is a radical group and radical group have two branch and this also two branch and here there is a branches. It means in branched chain amino acids contain branches. Second one is amino acid with hydroxyl group. These amino acids are those amino acids which contain hydroxyl group and they are threonine, serine and tyrosine. But tyrosine is also aromatic amino acid. Here these three amino acids which are highlighted, they contain hydroxyl group. Sulfur containing amino acids. Sulfur is present in these amino acids and they are cysteine and methionine. Cysteine and methionine are both amino acids which contain sulfur. This is a sulfur and they are called sulfur containing amino acids. Acidic amino acids, they are also known as dicarboxylic acid and monoamino acids because they contain two carboxylic acid groups and one amino group, and they are acidic in nature because they contain more acidic groups than the basic groups. That's why they are acidic in nature and they are two in number, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Here aspartate acid, this is one carboxylic acid group, and this is and second carboxylic acid group. That's why it is known as dicarboxylic acid amino acid. In same way, glutamate is also dicarboxylic acid amino acid because it contains two carboxylic acid. First one is this and second one is this. And they contain only a amino group. It means there is one amino group and two carboxylic acid. That's why they are acidic in nature. Basic amino acids. These amino acids are basic in nature because they contain more basic group. It means amine group than the acidic groups. It means carboxylic acid groups. Here, only a single carboxylic acid group is present, and more than two or more than two amino groups are present here. In lysine, there are two amino groups are present. First one is this and second this. First, second, third. In arginine, three amino groups are present, and histidine, two amino groups are available or present. That's why they are known as basic amino acids. Aromatic amino acids. Aromatic amino acids, in the nature, some amino acids are those which contain benzene-like ring. It means which show the aromaticity or benzene-like properties. And they are phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. These three amino acids are those amino acids which are known as aromatic because they contain a benzene-like ring and show the properties of aromaticity or benzene-like properties. That's why they are called aromatic amino acids. Amino acid. Amino acid is a very special amino acid. Simply, it is known as proline. And a proline radical group is attached with the amino group. That's why we call it amino acid. In proline, radical group is attached with the amino group. That's why it is known as amino acid. Summary of this lecture. That means classification of amino acids on the basis of chemical structure. In chemical structure, amino acids are classified into 7 groups. Simple amino acids, that means aliphatic amino acids with side chains, they are glycine, alanine. These both amino acids are simple amino acids because they contain no any further branch. But in branch chain amino acids, valine, leucine and isoleucine, these three amino acids contain more branches. And second group is hydroxylic acid. Hydroxy amino acid, it means they contain hydroxyl group and they are serine and threonine. Third one is sulfur containing amino acid. They are cysteine and methionine. These both amino acid contain sulfur. And aromatic amino acid, they contain benzene-like ring and show the aromaticity. That's why they are aromatic amino acids, and they are 3 numbers: phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. Acidic amino acids, they are aspartate, arginine, glutamate, and glutamine. Basic amino acids, lysine, arginine, histidine, these are the basic amino acids because they contain more basic groups, it means amino group, than the carboxylic acid groups. That's why they are known as basic amino acids. And last one is a single amino acid, that is a proline, and it is known as amino acid because in proline radical group is attached with the amino group, so it is called amino acid. Thank you, dear students, for watching SS Biochemist Coaching Center. For new updates, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends. If you have any question from this lecture, you may ask in the comment box or through my WhatsApp number. Khuda Hafiz, wassalam.